everyone. My name is Seema Bera. I completed my engineering summer 2020. After completing my engineering, I met in the Besant technology. There, I completed my SQL course and as well as I also completed my Python training. In that company, I completed my SQL training and as well as Python training. During that training period, they teach me core subject and as well as the advanced subject. Not also this, they also teach me how to face the interview and as well as how to face the critical situation in the company. And I thanks the Basin Technology and as well as my mentor. They give me the placement in the good company and they also support me always. They are very friendly and good for our future. Thank you so much.